Sa inyong lahat, unang-una maraming salamat sa mga kasama ko rito sa entablado, ang mga representatives ng various government agencies na nangangasiwa sa education and sports sa bayan. Kasama na po dyan yung National Youth Commission under the Department of Interior and Local Government. At of course, ang University Athletic Association of the Philippines and ang Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. We started the meeting, and it is an organizational meeting at 1:30. It is already 4:30. It took us 3 hours to understand, comprehend, analyze the situation we are all in. Of course, nakikiramay sa pamilya ng mga nasawi at nagre-reach out sa mga lahat ng pwedeng tumulong para ma-solve natin itong problemang to. Before I read the stakeholders' statement, let me just emphasize and explain that this is not a fact-finding investigative panel. That is the role of the PNP and the CIDG and the Department of Justice. Our role is to understand what happened and to understand how and to agree that this should not happen again. So this is our joint statement.